Assalamu alaikum. In this video I'm going to talk about the equivalent fraction and how to get it. The equivalent fraction, the main idea of equivalent fraction is like this. This is a fraction and this is another fraction. But both of them have the same value, which is half. That means if you have this pizza and you split it into 4 parts, because the denominator in here shows 4, and you have eaten 2 of them, 2 parts, you would eat half the pizza. And in here, if you have this pizza divided into 8 parts, and you ate 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, this means you ate half the pizza. So these two fractions are different in numbers, but they have the same value, which is half. And this is the main idea of equivalent fraction. Now, how to get the equivalent fractions? It's extremely easy. Let's say you have this fraction over here, 2 over 3, and you want to get an equivalent fraction of it. You can multiply any number. You can choose any number to use. Let's say number 7. So here, multiply the numerator by 7 and the denominator by 7. To get an equivalent fraction that has the same value, you have to multiply the numerator on top and the denominator on bottom by the same number. So here by 7 and here by 7, I will get 14 over 21, and this is an equivalent fraction to 2 over 3. If you use calculator and do 2 divided by 3 or 14 divided by 21, you will get the same answer. This means they have the same value. And again, let's say you have 1 over 5 and you want to get the equivalent fraction of it. You can choose any number to multiply with. Let's say we want to multiply by 9 this time, by 9 here as well. This would give us 9 over 45. This is equivalent to this. Now let's say, how will I ask you in the exam about this lesson? I'm going to give you a question like this. 2 over 5, for example, equals something over 20, equals 20 over something, equals 8 over something, equals 10, and here a blank or something over 10. Since all of these fractions are equal, that means they are equivalent fractions. So you're going to think of the number that was multiplied by 5 to become 20. I multiplied this 5 by which number to make it 20? In multiples of 5, which number multiplied by 5 to get 20? The answer is 4. So here, the denominator in here was multiplied by 4. So the numerator in here should be multiplied by 4 as well. This would give you 8. 8 over 20 is equivalent fraction to 2 over 5. Let's solve the other one now. We have solved this 8 over 20, that's it. Let's solve this one now. We have 20 on top, which is numerator. So I'm going to ask myself, what did I multiply the 2 with to get 20? Which number multiplied by 2 to make it 20? The answer is 10. Since I multiplied it here by 10, so denominator should be multiplied by 10 as well to get 50. So the answer is 20 over 50. Let's go to the next one now. Done. Done. Here I have the 8 on top as a numerator, So I'm going to compare it with 2. How can I make the 2 8? Which number multiplied by 2 to get 8? The answer is 4. So I should multiply the 5 by 4 as well to get 20. 8 over 20 is the same value or has the same value as 2 over 5. Now let's solve the last one here. I have something over 10. So we have 10 here on the denominator and 5 as denominator as well. So you're going to ask yourself, how can I make the 5 10 this time? How can I make the 5 10? 5 multiplied by which number to become 10? The answer is 2. So 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10. This 2 should be multiplied by the same number, which is 2. 5 multiplied by 2, then 2 should be multiplied by 2 to get 4. So 2 over 5 is the same value as 5 over 10. They're equal. That's why we call it equivalent fractions.